Hello, my name is Christian Pedersen and I'm Head of Product Management at DALI Loudspeakers. And today we are here at the ISE 2025 in Barcelona, where we are showing our lineup of custom installed loudspeakers.
So these are very special, high quality, one of the best qualities in the world?
Yes, definitely. DALI is a loudspeaker company famous for the hi-fi speakers for home. But we also do custom installed speakers to build into walls and to ceilings. And we do everything from in-ceiling speakers for distributed sound to ultra high-end speakers for building into walls and onto walls for dedicated custom home theater systems.
So what is the significance of DALI in the loudspeaker market? How do you design the sound?
I think because our roots are coming from the hi-fi speakers, is that sound quality is of essence to us. We have 40 years of experience in designing some of the best speakers in the world, and that we are projecting onto home cinemas and custom installed sound solutions, so you get the best possible sound around the world, around your house and home.
What is this?
This is our custom installed subwoofer. It's an in-wall subwoofer that is also available with an on-wall frame, so you can use it both in-wall and on-wall. One of the things that is very special here is that it is using a surround technology that has been designed together with our sister company Purify. So that's a patented technology that ensures that you have lower distortion when you have extreme excursions of the driver.
Nice.
Then this year we're also showing our brand new outdoor speakers, the Guardian On-Wall 6. This is the first time that we are doing outdoor speakers because we think that's a market that is growing, where people want to have sound on the patio, in the summer house. These are very versatile. They can withstand extreme climate. You can actually even use a water jet on it, high pressure water jet, and it's absolutely fine with that. The bracket that is integrated means that you can position it both horizontal and vertical, and then it'll be able to, you can adjust it in two directions. So there are some that we're really focusing on, and we hope a lot from.
Nice.
Then also, this year, we are launching a brand new in-ceiling speaker. It's a so-called angled in-ceiling speaker. That means that you can point the sound in a certain direction, which is ideal when you want to beam your sound towards a certain spot.
Nice. So it's important to beam the sound?
It depends on the application. If you, for instance, want to create a sound system, let's say you want to have a surround sound system, but you don't want to have speakers on the wall, and you're sitting off, you can actually make all the front channels made from in-ceiling speakers, and with your TV on the wall, you can actually fool your brain to think that the music and the sound is still coming from the wall. But other in-ceiling speakers, like the more traditional ones, they are not angled. And the reason they're not angled is because it's to get the greatest possible coverage, where you don't know where you're sitting. Angled is where you want to point it towards something specifically, where when you want to have a general coverage, you use a more traditional in-ceiling speaker approach.
Nice. And just to clarify, the sound we're hearing is the neighbors. It's not.
It is.
You don't
the
play
neighbors.
You don't demonstrate at the show?
We don't demonstrate at the show because there's so much surrounding noise that it will be difficult to actually...
you cannot control the environment.
You can't control the environment, and it's difficult to actually make a good demonstration. It's actually, in this environment, most that are playing, it's about quantity goes over quality in this environment, so it's not the right place to demonstrate our abilities.
All right.
Yeah.
And what more do you want to show here?
I think this wall is showing our range of in-ceiling and in-wall speakers. And over here, we have an interface of a brand new custom amplifier, which we got here. It's a DSP amplifier, 4 times 750 watt, with a strong DSP in. We have 2 variants. We also have a 2-channel 500 watt version. The reason we are entering with these amplifiers is the ability to provide a full solution when we talk high-end custom home cinemas. With this, built into these amplifiers are dedicated presets for our specific speakers. So once you choose those, you get the optimum performance out of our speakers.
Nice. There's a lot of considerations and is analog signals and stuff like that needs to be perfect.
These can take both analog and digital inputs. And you have a host of tools to customize your sound and your setup with this amplifier. But the main thing is the speaker presets, because that really means that these amplifiers built as a solution together with our speakers are made to match.
Nice.
Okay.
And if you go around here, is this, what is this?
Oh, this one. Yeah, this one is interesting. This is our K60 LP. LP stands for low profile. And it's interesting if you actually look across here. The total built-in height of this speaker, I believe, is less than 4 centimeters. And that is important when you have hanging ceilings with very little built-in space behind it. So this is a great solution. It's still got the unique DALI sound. I would say this is the best sounding shallow speaker in the market.
So to have great sound, it's not just about getting big bass or something.
No, it's about
getting
refinement.
the exact reproduction, right?
Yeah. It's about high fidelity in custom install situations.